Hi everyone, I want to share the tendency and thing I noticed about the sensing and intuition function, and it doesn't really concern the personality type on themselves. It is less present in half of the personality type who have the sensing and intuition in middle as the second and third position, the ENTJ, INTP, INFJ, INFP, ESTJ, ISTP, ESFJ, ISTP. It is more present in the NDOM and SDOM and more when they are undeveloped and unimproved. The intuitive, by trying to adapt to the sensor, we try to make ourselves understood as best as possible. We put energy in our sensing function to find the right word, to give a precise detail or even example or analogies. We make effort to better express ourselves, to be sure others don't misinterpret what we say or write. But the sensor, by trying to adapt to the intuitive, they try to find another interpretation because subconsciously they know they have tendency to not have the correct interpretation or wrong meaning. They may overinterpret or imagine more things, whereas everything is here, there is nothing to interpret. Or they think it is not important, that there is no meaning, when it's very important and have meaning. The sensor, they are bad to interpret and find meaning, signification, so they put more effort to express themselves in an abstract way, by putting effort in the intuition function. But if the sensor express themselves in an abstract way and are more vague and less precise, the intuitive might don't understand them. They need the detail to connect the dot and understand when they don't have the pattern, concept or idea initially in their mind. Sometimes it's complicated, it easily leads to misunderstanding and conflict. Everything would be more simple, clear, less confused if everyone say what they think, mean what they say, was honest and authentic with themselves and others. When we don't understand something, it's better to say to other person we don't understand, to ask for clarification, to ask for detail, so everyone is at the same page, of the same book, of the same library, of the same place, of the same planet. Should the sensor adapt to the intuitive, or the intuitive adapt to the sensor? It depends of the person. Certain adapt and put effort in their lower function, and certain others don't make effort and don't listen to others. Sometimes even two persons who are the same personality type misunderstand each other and can be in conflict. Another radical solution to be certain to not be in conflict would be to simply not communicate. But if we don't communicate, no one understands anyone, and there is also conflict. The intuitive may be weird, might don't understand and make mistake, and miss or ignore the sensing information. The sensor may be weird, might don't understand and make mistake, and miss or ignore the intuitive information. The intuitive knows the topic, but they struggle to find the right word to express themselves. The sensor have the word, but they don't know what they are talking about. The sensor say wrong and fake thing, and others believe them. The intuitive says the true thing, and no one believes them. The intuitive doubt, whereas their first intuition is often right. The sensor assume, whereas they are often wrong. They make wrong connection, have the wrong meaning, the wrong understanding, the wrong information or knowledge in mind. The intuitive are not sure, whereas they should be certain. The sensor assume, whereas they should doubt. The sensor should think more, and the intuitive should think less. The sensor live without asking questions, as if everything has no cause or consequences. The intuitive question the life and everything. By surviving, they try to improve and simplify their life. The sensor create problems because they don't think to the consequence of their action and behavior. The intuitive prevent and solve the problem, by identifying the pattern, the possible cause and effect, because it already happened the same before at different places. The sensor prefers experiencing, the intuitive prefers understand. The sensor move, act, even when it's not necessary. The intuitive move only when it's essential or important. The sensor focus more on the physical health, and the intuitive focus more on the mental health. The sensor prefer physical medicine, medication. The intuitive prefer metaphysical medicine, such as meditation, healing frequencies, brainwave to heal themselves. The sensor perceives themselves, other and external world as physical attribute, as a body or surface structure, and intuitive perceives themselves, other and external world as the essence for the depth, the soul. The sensor prefer talk to understand other and situation. The intuitive prefer reading the behavior, the body language, the sign, the images to understand other and situation. They understand the other without needing to speak or to hearing other. You can let two intuitive types in a room. They will understand each other by analyzing the behavior, facial expression and eyes. That's why they can also understand the animals and have better connection with them. The sensors are more focused on the sensation, detail and surface. The intuitive are more focused on the signification, the meaning, the goal, on what is essential and most important, existential. The sensor will do what others say without asking questions. The intuitive will ask a question, want to know the why, the objective, the goal, the end. Otherwise, they will not move or take action. The sensor may talk too much or say non-essential things. The intuitive may not talk enough. They expect others to fill the blank. The sensor say things in surface which may be not important. The intuitive say deep and essential things, and they are not taken seriously, not listened, even rejected. The sensor seems confident to talk, thinks the words have no impact or influence on people and situations. The intuitive seems reluctant to talk, more cautious, seeking to the impact of their word. The sensor may say things they don't mean or say things they don't think. The intuitive say what they mean what they say, think what they say. The sensor may say they will doing something and at the end they will not doing it. That makes them unreliable. The intuitive do the things they say, otherwise they may feel shame or guilt, bad at themselves. The sensors are bad to keep promises and secrets because they don't think to the possible consequences. The intuitive are better to keep secret and don't make a promise because they think to the possible consequences. There is surely a lot of other differences between the intuitive type and the sensor, and between the intuition and the sensing function. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.